If you're thinking about the WORX Landroid Vision 4WD WR344, here's the quick, honest take after going through what it offers. This is a premium robot mower from WORX, built for people with tricky, uneven yards, and it really shows. First, the good stuff. The 4WD system is the star here. It handles steep slopes, rough patches, and roots without constantly getting stuck like cheaper two-wheel models. The camera-based navigation is also a big deal. No perimeter wires, no antenna setup in your yard. Just set it up and let it learn your lawn. And when it works, it's impressively smart around obstacles and edges. But it's not perfect. Setup can be frustrating, especially with long firmware updates and occasional app glitches. It's also slow. On a large yard, it may take a couple of days to fully cover everything. So here's the verdict. If your lawn is complex or hilly, it's worth considering. If your yard is flat and simple, this is probably overkill for the price.